to another video. Today we're going to be unboxing another Facebook Marketplace find. It is the Lowe's 2021 Gemmy animated witch. Got this off of Marketplace for $70. I wanted to get it when it came out, but wasn't able to. It sold out at all my stores because it was $150, which is a decent price for what it is, and it's pretty good quality, I would say. Now, she said she only used it 1 year, and yeah, there's the broom, and she said she lost the poles, so she used Swiffer poles, which seemed to work and be the same size. And it comes with a try me button, and there's the power adapter. And then in here we have her head, we'll see that in a minute, and then her body and mechanism in her base. Alright, we have her base down here, and then we're gonna just, it doesn't quite go down far enough to actually snap lock in there, but okay, we got it all snapped up now. I guess this body, really? It seems quite short. Alright, we've got her body put up here, and she doesn't have batteries in her. Yeah, so here's her mechanism, just like any Gemmy Dancing Santa or anything, and then it even has the same thing up here. So let's open up her clothes and get those on. This should be pretty easy. Just plugged her cord in just so I could run it down, and here's the first layer of clothing. Let me get this on and I'll be back. Alright, we got her skirt on, so I'm just gonna make sure it's on sensor mode, and then I guess we button this up. Now let's say the fabric down by her butt is not okay, it's been ripped. But there's that so far. Already looking non-weird. And then she has like a coat to go over her arms, so let me put that on and I'll be back. Now there is a sensor attached to the front of her jacket, and I'm assuming it plugs in somewhere back here. Sort of a try me button jack if you were to buy a Gemmy snow globe or something. There it goes. Just kind of tuck that into her shirt, and I guess we just Velcro her up. Now she has 3 normal buttons, and then the middle is what looks to be just a normal light sensor. So it's a pretty cheap sensor, which kind of sucks, but whatever. Now we get to do a fun part. Open up her head, and there she is. Now it looks just like the crystal balls, or even the cauldron witches from the 2000s, and it's that, you know, latex stretchy skin, and her mouth does move, so, and I believe her eyes light up too, and she has so much detail. It's not very well painted, but yeah. And she has a lot of hair. That's a lot of hair. So, should just be like any other Gemmy life size, and just kind of, yeah, it just clicks on there, and you fold her skin. So you just tuck her neck in. Here's how she's looking so far. Got her collar up. Looks very nice and realistic, and her hair is just kind of doing its own thing. And again, she has a lot of hair. There's more hair on this side than there is on the other side, but she's got quite a bit of it. She's pretty tall. Alright, now, I believe you just jam the top through her hand as hard as you can, and then those twist on the bottoms. Alright, I got her broom attached, her arms stretched out, and I noticed she had a little belt. Now, I will say, she's got quite a bit to her, actually. She's quite a full-figured animatronic. Now, I will say, it could just be those Swiffer poles, but she is very wobbly. Oh, and you know what else? Her hat. Which there is no Velcro on, so not sure how that's going to stay on her head. Okay, I got her head attached, so her hat attached, which looks pretty good. It's nice and straight, not all effed up, and her little stringy strings are everywhere. So, she looks pretty good. Alright, I believe she is ready for testing. She looks good. Now I'm gonna go plug her in and we'll see how she does.